Hello guys, this is Vinay Pandey and let us solve KBPY 2018 SX Part 2 question number 108 Chemistry. Question number 108 says, among the following reactions, a mixture of diastereomers is produced from. ठीक है ना, एक एक करके चेक करते हैं कि कहाँ से ये बनेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू टेक द फर्स्ट वन इज दिस. यू सी in option A, if you find this, and here there is a methyl along with one H, right? So if you treat it with HBr, then first H plus comes. It is an electrophilic addition reaction and H plus comes first, and it will form, it will get added here, so that positive charge is formed here. Now there are two routes. See, if this H minus shift occurs, which is the case of carbocation, then it will become a tertiary carbocation and more stable carbocation, right? More stable, and then finally Br minus will come and it will give the product, right? Which is not chiral, not diastereomer. And suppose Br minus attacks here, then this chiral center is already present, which is not changing its configuration, and here one bromo will attack, and this bromo will attack from front and back both, and that's why you will get diastereomeric mixture. So this option A can give one diastereomeric mixture, but the major product will be this side. Why? Because whenever a reaction passes through sequence of intermediates, then more stable intermediates give the major product. Otherwise in this case you see, if this attacks, if this H2PT, after H2PT this double bond will become single bond, right? And here also you will not get any diastereomer. In this case, due to presence of organic peroxide, the product here, chiral center is not getting affected, and product here will be bromo, no other chiral center, so no diastereomer is possible. Here in this case, hydroboration oxidation. Here in this case, OH will be at the outer carbon of the double bond. So in this case also there is no chance for any diastereomeric mixture, right? So diastereomeric mixture is possible only with option A, that too not in the major quantity. Why? Because major quantity of this product will be formed, because this carbocation which is formed in the first step as an intermediate will have H minus shift, and it will become tertiary, and tertiary carbocation is more stable, so it will give the major product. But if you are seeking a diastereomeric mixture, it is possible with this option A only. Okay, so answer to this question is option A anyway. Okay, so answer to this question is A, right? Option A is the correct answer. Okay guys, please stay tuned for the next question.